Choosing your niche is a vital decision when launching your YouTube channel. The YouTube niche you choose has an important influence on various aspects, including your target audience and the potential brand collaborations you can pursue. It's crucial to consider how much you can earn on YouTube as well. Generating an income in different YouTube niches can vary in difficulty. For reference, it's possible to use CPM, cost per mile, as a benchmark. This metric measures the cost that advertisers incur when their ads receive 1,000 views on YouTube through the Google AdSense program. It's crucial to differentiate this from RPM, which stands for revenue per mile. RPM is the amount that a YouTuber receives for 1,000 video views. The number of ads in videos can vary greatly, and YouTube also takes up a portion of the revenue, so the amount earned can vary significantly from CPM. CPM reflects the level of advertiser interest in investing in content within a specific niche to reach the audiences of these YouTube creators. The more you're interested in this, the easier it usually is to make money from your channel. In this video, I will be listing 15 different YouTube automation niches you can go into. 1. Reenactment or LARPing. Hobbies are a great choice for YouTube content, especially ones that work well in video format. Historical reenactments have a way of captivating audiences and drawing in large crowds. Live-action role-playing is a hobby that often involves intricate costumes and large groups of participants. If you're into either of these hobbies, you might want to think about starting a channel to share your experiences with others. 2. Autonomous sensory meridian response. ASMR. Creating ASMR videos is a lucrative online business idea for YouTube, as it is a highly popular niche that garners a significant number of views. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is a popular choice, and one of the best ideas for this is ASMR videos. They are simple and easy to understand, making them a great option for content creators. ASMR content can incorporate a variety of sounds and music to create a soothing atmosphere. Examples include ambient noises like crackling fires or ocean waves. Alternatively, you can explore different types of sound content to attract a larger audience to your channel. 3. Tech, cars, and gadgets. Technology, particularly cars and gadgets, is a lucrative niche that many people find appealing. Advertisers are particularly fond of tech content, whether it's a review of the latest iPhone, a comparison between Nikon and Fuji cameras, or a test drive in a new Ferrari. There's a variety of CPM rates within the niche. For example, photography YouTubers often experience high CPM rates of approximately 731, whereas car channels tend to have an average CPM of about 432. General tech channels typically charge $239 for every 1,000 ad views from advertisers. There is an important factor to consider if you are contemplating entering this niche, and those are the costs that come with it. Even if your earnings are higher, it is often necessary to invest in the technology you review or compare before you can begin earning an income. 4. Movie summary. We all have that one movie we love to watch repeatedly. It's truly a wonderful experience for movie enthusiasts to connect with someone who shares their passion and engages in conversations about their favorite scenes. It can also be quite thrilling for someone who is about to watch a movie. Ensure that the summary or review is helpful in determining if it's worth your time, or if there are exciting scenes to anticipate. So if you're a big fan of films, this is a great area for you to delve into. Developing critical and logical thinking skills is essential for success in this field. Your audience desires a deeper analysis of the movie, going beyond what the average person would typically observe. YouTube is filled with movie summary channels that have gained immense popularity. You have the freedom to choose which films you would like to summarize. Most importantly, there's no need for you to reveal your identity. Make sure to include the movie scenes you want to discuss in the video, and provide a voiceover to explain them. 5. Lifestyle. The lifestyle niche is a highly popular category on YouTube. People enjoy keeping up with others' travel careers, getting a peek into their homes, and staying updated on their relationships. Typically, lifestyle YouTubers can anticipate CPM rates of 347. It's important to keep in mind that there's a wide range of differences and a significant amount of competition in this area. There is a wide variety of lifestyle creators, ranging from those who vlog from luxurious mansions to college students who share their campus experiences. The uniqueness of this niche lies in the deeply personal nature of the experiences people share. This fosters relatability and a feeling of connection, even within a community. Many people seek inspiration in the lives of others, even if they don't necessarily want to live the same way. Wherever products and services are present, advertisers see opportunities for monetization. 6. Fashion and try-on hauls. People enjoy following others' travels, careers, glimpses into their homes, and updates on their relationships. Lifestyle YouTubers can expect average CPM rates of 347. However, there's a lot of competition and variance within this niche. From vlogging and mansions to sharing college experiences, lifestyle creators come from a wide range of backgrounds. What sets this niche apart is the personal nature of the experiences people share. This creates relatability and a sense of connection, fostering a community feeling. While viewers may not necessarily aspire to the same lifestyle, many seek inspiration from the lives of others. And wherever products and services are featured, there is potential for advertisers and monetization. 7. Personal finance. Understanding personal finance is becoming increasingly popular, and YouTube creators have the opportunity to capitalize on this growing niche. Personal finance covers a range of topics, including investing, stock trading, saving, budgeting, and other strategies to effectively manage money. Personal finance is an excellent niche with a relatively low level of competition and ample opportunity to create truly distinctive video content. 8. Top 10 videos. Take a look at this YouTube channel niche that has great potential for success. These videos showcase the top 10 or best 10 of any subject in a clear and easy to follow manner. People are drawn to these types of videos because they appreciate the way you simplify the design-making process from a wide range of choices. In order to create such videos, it is important to have a strong background in research. This is because you want to avoid making false recommendations by claiming a list is the best. Make sure to review various opinions on the products or subject before compiling. It's crucial to consider your niche when it comes to building your business. When creating these types of videos, it's important to narrow down your focus to a specific niche. 9. Fitness and bodybuilding. Similar to cooking channels, fitness and bodybuilding content has experienced a notable surge in popularity. YouTube audiences are drawn to channels that provide guidance on a wide range of topics, from workout routines and beginners yoga to more specialized areas like using weighted jump ropes for muscle growth. These channels offer valuable information to help viewers achieve their desired body goals. Advertisers recognize the affordability of average CPM rates, which are $1.60. Certain fitness topics can generate higher CPMs compared to others. Certain activities require specific equipment, ranging from basic running shoes to more specialized climbing gear. Some diets are linked to specific eating plans. Bodybuilding, for example, encompasses both. 10. Educational channel. Do you have expertise in a specific field, activity, or aspect of life? Your expertise is valuable in a niche where there's scarcity of content creators at your level. You might have experience working for NASA, be knowledgeable in a specific historical topic, or have expertise in relationship psychology. Create engaging content for your YouTube channel. 11. Celebrities. News and gossip about celebrities are always popular subjects in society. Therefore, it is a great choice for a profitable channel. Regardless of your age, people are always curious about the latest happenings with celebrities, whether they're positive or negative. As a result, you'll always have a wide range of content options to create and share on your channel. It's important to be mindful of potential copyright concerns that could arise from the content you're sharing. Ensuring that your creative team is aware of the content they produce is crucial in order to prevent any potential legal issues. If you want to succeed in this niche, it's important to stay informed and create content while the stories are still fresh. Avoid discussing outdated subjects. It is important to be prepared to produce content quickly. 12. Software reviews. Given the abundance of software products available, an excellent YouTube niche to explore is creating software reviews. Create a YouTube channel that offers unbiased and thorough reviews of various software types. You can also specialize in specific areas like accounting or productivity to provide more focused content. 13. Video games. Now let's talk about video games, which is one of the most popular topics on YouTube. Whether it's through reviews, detailed walkthroughs, live streaming, or entertaining gameplay videos with insightful commentary, gaming content has the potential to attract millions of views for dedicated YouTubers. Many popular channels and successful YouTubers, like PewDiePie, focus on gaming. Typically, creators in the gameplay niche tend to experience CPM rates of approximately $1.40. Given the widespread popularity of gamers, one might wonder why the average CPM is not higher. Firstly, the competition is massive. Additionally, the target demographic consists of younger individuals who may have a lower level of disposable income. Communities that thrive with activity include Minecraft YouTubers, Roblox players, and fans of indie horror games like FNAF. Number 14. Makeup tutorials. Makeup tutorials have consistently remained popular on YouTube for a considerable amount of time. Several channels have amassed over 1 million subscribers by providing easy-to-follow tutorials on makeup applications. Consider emphasizing intricate makeup looks or providing step-by-step tutorials that are easy for anyone at home to follow. 15. Comedy, humor, challenges, and pranks. YouTube is dominated by comedy, humor, and prank channels. These channels are all about providing pure entertainment. Viewers love watching hilarious skits, challenges, pranks, incredible giveaways, and other comedy content. Having a good laugh is something that people from all walks of life can appreciate, which is why these creators have a diverse audience that includes both teenagers and adults. The diversity, particularly in income, slightly reduces the potential CPM. However, it remains at an average of around $1. One of the benefits is that it focuses on generating positive emotions. That's the type of context that brands and advertisers find appealing when showcasing their ads and products. And there you have it, 15 high CPM YouTube automation niches to consider for 2024. With the right strategy and dedication, you can build a successful and profitable YouTube channel through automation. If you'd like to delve deeper into any of these niches or explore other YouTube automation strategies, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.